Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and once again I'm doing some late night lazy cooking. Alright, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my split pea soup. My mother used to make this all the time. I like this. Let me show you what you're going to need. So split peas, I've already washed them off, cleaned them, because you don't want to not wash your beans or your peas off because you end up cooking yourself a pot of dirt. Trust me on that, I've done that before. First time I ever cooked some beans, let me tell you something. I did not rinse them off. Put them in the pot, they tasted so good, but I was like, ooh, they taste a little earthy. All right, I got my slow cooker going here. I got it on high. I've already put it, you can see there in the corner, that's butter. I put like a fourth of a stick of butter in here, okay? I'm gonna put the peas in. Plump. That sounded appetizing. Now this is a ham bone left over from Christmas. I had it in the freezer. We're gonna put that right on in. Looks awkward right now, but it won't in a minute. Now, your seasonings, what you're gonna need. Garlic powder. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of this in because in the slow cooker, for some reason, garlic seems to take over. Some crushed red pepper. Now once again, I'm just gonna put a teaspoon in because I don't want it too hot. So we'll have a little kick. I'm gonna put in two, let's see right there, can I get that in focus? 2 bay leaves. I don't know how they think somebody's gonna get some bay leaves out of this container. With look, is anything gonna come out of that? Come on now, that's funny. That's real funny. I'm also gonna put in. Get the thing open. Jesus. Okay. I'm gonna put in some black pepper. Okay. Now I'm not adding salt because I'm about to put in some chicken soup base, which does have salt in it. I like this brand. No, it's not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, they can. I do like this brand. I got to admit, I really do like this. Now, what is that? Tablespoon? I'm putting in 5 tablespoons, okay? That's what's left of it. I also have some frozen bacon. And like I said, did you put this in here raw? Because it's gonna cook. I am not adding salt because these things have salt. The ham has salt. The bacon has salt. Don't add any more salt. I'm taking enough water. I've shown you all before. Come up to just below. See that? Just below the top of the slow cooker, okay? And once you got all your ingredients in, you want to kind of mix them up just a little bit. Now, for some reason, something's telling me I want to add more garlic. Let's see, I'm a garlic lover. So you gotta be careful because you put too much garlic in your slow cooker, it will take over. Hold on, let me get my spoon here. Now I generally use wooden or plastic utensil in my delicate pots, in my non-stick pots, okay? So you're stirring this all around. All right, just get it kind of incorporated there. Okay. Because in the morning when this is done, I'm going to say midday, because I'm going to let this cook all night and part of the day. Oh yes. When this is done, you're going to have something really good. wanted to add some onion, but I don't have any onion. So I'm gonna make do with the garlic. Hello, Shaq. No, Shaq, you can't climb up my pants leg. Kitty cat. Love you. All right, let me get the top with this on. I have the craziest cat. Look, this is your debut, kitty cat. This is your debut. Okay? Can we see her? That is your debut, kitty cat. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put the top on here, and I'm gonna let this cook all night and part of the day. And I will show you the result tomorrow. All right? Hello, my nieces and nephews. It is the next morning, and yes, ooh, deliciousness has been cooked up and is about to be served. Split pea soup is done. Oh, I wish they had smell-o-vision. I really do. See, you just mix it up. That's all you do. That's all you do. This is the easiest soup you will ever make. All right. Now, I am about to actually go to another food pantry. And yes, all the ingredients, even the ham bone, came from the food pantry. Ain't that something? You got to swing from one meal to the other. That ham bone was from Christmas, okay? So you want to keep your meals one to the other, all right? Now, I'm going to get some of this before I go. But remember, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Couldn't help myself. Had to garnish it with some garlic bread and a little paprika. Oh yeah, this soup is good. All right, till next time.